It's a Monday morning towards the end of July, so of course it's blowing a gale, it's absolutely freezing, and it's raining. I think though what this morning does emphasise really is what landscape photography in the UK is all about. It's about patience, it's about waiting, it's about being prepared to work with the elements and not expecting to have perfect light or perfect weather every time you go out. And more importantly, it's about knowing the spot. And it's often said that you should really get to know your local patch, because that's where your best pictures will be made, and it's certainly where you have most opportunity. And by going out and recceing and having a look around and sitting through the various stages of weather that we get, you really do get a good sense of what will work well. And when the right light comes along, you know exactly where to go. Just for the record though, what I'm using today is the little tiny Fuji X-T20, which I'm really enjoying using. It's a very capable camera. It's very easy to switch between taking stills and taking video. It really is quite intuitive and quite easy to use, and that's probably why I've used it so much in the last couple of weeks when I've been doing a lot of video work alongside the stills. I've got the 18-55, the kit lens as it's called, which to be honest I find super. It's a lovely lens. It's ideal for this sort of thing. I do have a 12mm in the bag, but I'll only take that out if the light warrants it, to be honest. The other piece of kit I'm using the big Manfrotto tripod, even with the smaller camera, simply because it is far sturdier than my travel tripod, and regardless of the size of your camera, you still want it to be still. And apart from that, in my pocket I have a few leaf filters. I've got a graduated neutral density filter just to hold back the sky. I have a polarizer, which has been very useful today to take the glare off the reservoir at the bottom. And I also have a little stopper, the lean little stopper, which is just giving me the opportunity to blur the movement in the grasses and that sort of thing. So really traveling very light. Everything I've got is fitting in my coat pockets. I just wish I had a hat. I'm also recording using my iPhone. I've used the iPhone occasionally for taking pictures and for taking video. Certainly the newer iPhone I have now has been more useful photographically, but I've never used the voice memo, and I must admit, sitting in the car chatting to myself, I do feel slightly daft. But then when I think back when I was working, I often sat in the car in a car park on a conference call, and what's that if it's not really sitting in a car appearing to be chatting to yourself? So I think I can get over it. So I'm back outside. The wind's really got up. You may or may not be able to hear. So I'm going to sign off for today. This is where I finish for the day, I think. Bye for now.